Organic is nice. The thing about organic reach or growing an organic audience is it's not repeatable or it's not easily duplicable. How do I mean by that? Let's say I built a following organically. Now, how do I start a second business without using my face or without using my brand or without using anything from my personal stuff? That's where paid comes in. Because if you know how to run paid ads, if you know how to advertise, if you know how to convince someone to buy from you, I can create 2 pages, 3 pages, 4 pages, 5 pages without me showing my face, without me having to actually film myself, without me having to shoot myself. I can hire people who can read my scripts, who can, or even AI. Later on, we're gonna talk about AI. We can hire people or AI tools to sell for us without us having to use our personal brand over and over again. Because there's a limitation to how many people you can attract with organic. Halimbawa ako, diba? I have some following on my social media page, but it's not a lot. Actually, I'm one of the few creators worldwide who has more customers than followers. So I have right now 20,000 followers and my customers are way beyond that. I've sold more. So di ba normally ang problema, they have a personal brand, but they're not able to monetize. So out of their big following, they're not able to sell to their particular audience. That's because me, natuto talaga ako sa paid ads ever since then. I started as a paid ads, Facebook ads specialist. Bebenta kami ng mga courses for other people, digital products. Then, I just started a personal brand. So, primarily, I'm a paid ads expert na nag-start ng personal brand. So, parang na-double. It's not one thing is better than the other. So, going back sa organic, you attract who you are. Though, halimbawa ako medyo cake ko yung magsalita, medyo malaro-laro lang, I attract similar people. The carefree type of people. Mga mommies, you get the difference. So, you get who you are. And some people don't like me, some people like me, that's fine, it's organic. But with paid ads, all of you are the same. As long as your buyers